Hi Mom and Pop and Timmy. Just wanted to make sure that you guys didn't miss out on sharing in our lovely snow. So I thought I'd come out and take a little bit of a walk around and show you what's been going on. Definitely messy, that's for sure. But my deck is handling it swell. We got more snow here than we know what to freaking do with. And it's pretty when it comes down and it's pretty when it starts, but oh my god. And I have to tell you, my baby was prepared in case the power went out. 1 o'clock in the morning and he's out here making sure the generator works. There she is in her doghouse. But look at all this snow. The trees can't handle the weight because it was so wet and heavy. And I don't know if I can check out those trees, those poor suckers. They're so weighted down. And of course we still have ice on all the lines. It's no wonder our power kept flickering all night long. But yeah, didn't want you guys to miss out on the lovely Christmas. This way you can have a little bit of home down there at your home. Sounds like it's been pretty chilly down there too, from what Pop told Jerry. Oops, I better stay in my path. There's my little awesome shit box. I'll tell you what, with my new tires, this little car goes through anything and everything. Of course, I shouldn't say that because now I'll get stuck somewhere, but anyway, I just wanted to share our wonderful weather with you guys. Let you know we're thinking about you and we love you.